What if a legendary 1970 Chevelle looked factory fresh, but unleashed over 650 supercharged horsepower? This $195,000 Restomod is pure American muscle perfection. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible is already one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built, but what you're looking at today isn't just another restored classic. This is a meticulously crafted 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible Restomod, a machine that combines timeless American styling with modern engineering, breathtaking performance, and luxury-level craftsmanship. Valued at an incredible $195,000, this Chevelle represents the ultimate fusion of vintage, heritage, and cutting-edge technology. From the very first glance, the sleek gray exterior paint commands attention. Running perfectly down the center are elegant silver racing stripes, giving the car an aggressive yet sophisticated appearance. Every curve, every body line, and every chrome accent reflects the unmistakable DNA that made the 1970 Chevelle one of the greatest muscle cars in automotive history. The front end looks bold and purposeful, enhanced by a classic cowl hood that hints at the monster hiding beneath. Chrome bumpers sparkle under the light, while the black convertible top provides a striking contrast against the gray body. Whether the top is raised or folded away, this Chevelle delivers a timeless presence that turns heads from every angle, but the real story begins when the hood opens. Sitting proudly in the engine bay is a legendary GM LS3 V8, already known for its outstanding reliability and performance. However, this build takes things to another level with the addition of a massive Whipple Supercharger. Forced induction transforms this modern V8 into an absolute powerhouse, delivering explosive acceleration and a thrilling soundtrack every time the throttle is pressed. The supercharger whine combines with the deep roar of the V8 to create a sound that instantly captures every enthusiast's attention. Backing this incredible engine is a proven 4L60E automatic transmission, offering smooth gear changes while remaining durable enough to handle the supercharged power. Sending all that performance to the pavement is the legendary Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 3.73 gears and Posi Traction, ensuring maximum grip whenever the accelerator meets the floor. This isn't simply a fast classic. It has been engineered to perform like a modern sports car. Underneath the beautiful body sits a premium Roadster Shop full frame, one of the finest chassis upgrades available for pro touring builds. This modern frame dramatically improves rigidity, ride quality, cornering stability, and overall driving confidence. Combined with power steering, every turn feels precise and controlled, making the Chevelle surprisingly comfortable whether cruising through town or attacking winding back roads. Stopping power is equally impressive thanks to four-wheel disc brakes featuring drilled and slotted rotors. Modern braking performance gives the driver confidence while matching the incredible acceleration produced by the supercharged LS3. One look at the stance tells you this Chevelle means business. Premium Forgeline wheels perfectly fill the wheel arches, creating an aggressive pro touring appearance. Measuring 235/35 R19 up front and an enormous 335/30 R20 in the rear, the wide performance tires provide exceptional traction while emphasizing the muscular proportions of this build. The body has also received extensive upgrades. The tubbed rear allows room for those massive rear tires, giving the car an unmistakably aggressive profile without sacrificing the classic Chevelle design. Every panel aligns beautifully, every chrome accent shines brilliantly, and every detail reflects countless hours of expert craftsmanship. Slide inside and the luxury continues. The black interior perfectly complements the exterior while maintaining the timeless character of the original Chevelle. Comfortable bucket seats welcome the driver and passenger, while the rear bench seat ensures this convertible remains practical enough for weekend cruises with family or friends. A classic center console houses the iconic horseshoe shifter, preserving one of Chevrolet's most recognizable interior features. The upgraded gauges provide accurate engine information while blending seamlessly into the vintage dashboard design. Modern comfort hasn't been forgotten either. The car features vintage air conditioning, allowing enjoyable cruising even during the hottest summer days. Updated HVAC controls provide simple operation while maintaining a factory-inspired appearance. An upgraded factory-style radio offers improved sound quality without disturbing the car's classic atmosphere. The tilt steering column allows drivers of different sizes to find the perfect seating position, while the electric convertible top raises and lowers effortlessly at the push of a button. Whether enjoying sunshine with the top down or cruising comfortably with it closed, this Chevelle is ready for every occasion. Looking underneath reveals the same extraordinary attention to detail found throughout the rest of the build. The underside is exceptionally clean, featuring the black Roadster Shop frame, a mandrel-bent stainless steel exhaust system, brand new fuel lines, brake lines, parking brake cables, hardware, and a new fuel tank. Every component has been carefully selected to provide reliability, durability, and long-term performance. This level of craftsmanship transforms the Chevelle from a restored classic into a modern performance machine capable of being driven and enjoyed every day. What truly makes this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible Restomod so remarkable is its balance. It retains everything enthusiasts love about the original Chevelle: its unmistakable styling, muscular proportions, and legendary presence, while eliminating nearly every limitation of a 50-year-old muscle car. Modern power, modern handling, modern braking, and modern comfort all work together to create a driving experience that feels truly special. At $195,000, this isn't simply purchasing a classic car. It's investing in thousands of hours of engineering, fabrication, craftsmanship, and passion. Every bolt, every panel, every upgrade, and every finish reflects an uncompromising commitment to excellence. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who dreams of owning the ultimate American muscle convertible, this supercharged Chevelle delivers nearly everything imaginable. It has breathtaking looks, astonishing performance, luxurious comfort, modern reliability, and timeless appeal that will never go out of style. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible Restomod proves that legends don't have to stay in the past. Sometimes they come back stronger, faster, louder, and more beautiful than ever before, and this extraordinary machine is living proof.